how to make free QR code in your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Play Store on your Android phone. Then having opened up your Play Store, make sure you click on search right here. And then you want to make sure you click on search app and game and type in Adobe Express, hit on search, and then make sure you download and install this particular app right here. Adobe Express AI Photo and Video. After a successful download and install, click on open and it's going to load and it's going to take you to the design interface right here, okay, where you see different templates. So what we want to do next is to simply come to the top right here, click on search everything, then go ahead and simply type in QR code. Generate QR code. Go ahead and click on it. And it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and you can see different templates right here. The more you slide, the more you see different templates in the sections right here. Just like so. And the next thing you want to do here, I'm going to simply click on generate QR code right here, the quick one. Then it's going to take us right here. First thing first, we need to make sure we paste the link to our QR code right here. So I'm going to use a particular link as an example. I'm going to exit from here. So I can decide to make this my YouTube account QR code. I'm going to click on the YouTube link right here. Then I'll go to my profile right here. Then I click on the channel name right here. I'll click on these three dots, click on share, then click on copy link, and have to scroll and go back to Adobe Express right here. Then click on here to paste my link. Boom, successfully paste. Next thing we want to do here, we can change the design of our QR code. Click on style right here. You have different style. So this is another style right here. And then you can change the inner shape, just like so. Then we can switch to color as the case may be. Here you have different color of your choice. So you can decide to make it red, just like what you see right here. I can decide to make it green. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. Then we can as well go to file format right here. What type of file format you want before you proceed to download. Click on here and then you have JPEG, you have PNG, and you have SVG download only. Everything depends on you. I'm going to switch to JPEG right here. Next thing we want to do right here to simply hit on download. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on download right here. Export succeed. It's that simple. With that, we have successfully created a free QR code that is very much fixable to anywhere and accessible. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.